purpose of this video is for you to be able to state what an electrolyte is and explain how to test for them. So an electrolyte is a compound that, when you put it into a solution or a solvent and make it a solution by dissolving it, now it's all dissolved, whether or not now this is conductive. Okay, this is water. That's the light. When I put the wires into it, nothing happens to the light. Okay, there it's on. Put in the solution, that's just water. Nothing happens, all right? That means water is not conductive. And when I put it in the thing that I just put it in, the original solution I had, now you can see the light comes on. All right? Battery's kind of dead. The light comes on just a little bit. That makes this an electrolyte. Now, the reason some things are electrolytes and some things are not, when some things are dissolved, they create little positive and negatives floating around it in the solution, and that allows the solution to conduct. And so electrolytes, they form these little positive and negatives in a solution, and that's because when they dissolve, the compound itself dissociates. The positive and negatives, they split apart, whereas some things, when they dissolve, don't create those ions in solution, and therefore the solutions don't conduct. What would food coloring do? Yep, food coloring, no light. Therefore, food coloring is a non-electrolyte. It doesn't create the ions in solution. I hope this has been instructive and easy to follow, and I hope you're having a good day and have a good night.